How to add and use split screen effect on TikTok video. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. After that, you have to log into your account. In order to log in, you can go to the profile option in the right lower corner, and from over there you can log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see your profile over there. So in order to use the split screen effect, you need to upload a TikTok video, or you can also make a TikTok video. For that, you need to tap on the plus sign in the center of the lower button, and from over here you can even take the video, or you can also upload it from your gallery. And after selecting the video, you'll be able to see the video like this. So in the right hand side, you'll be able to see the various options like saving, editor, pro, text, and many more. So in order to use the split screen, you have to tap on the effects option, and you'll be able to see the various effects. You have to swipe and you'll be able to see the split option. You have to go through it, and here there are various split like 9, 6, 2, 3, mixed, fuzzy, 4, and all. You have to simply tap on the type of split you want to use, and if that's okay, then you can go for save option in the right upper corner. And from over here you can see the split has been added on my video. So by following this simple step, we can add and use split screen effect on TikTok video. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.